So in this video, I'm gonna go over one of the best backpack coolers I've probably ever used, that's for sure. And let me just show you everything you get with this. So this is a little kind of owner's manual or the ultimate guide to using your cooler. It's got the quick dry shoulder straps right here, easy open magnetic lid right here. Look at that. You don't get any easier than that. And it's a magnet around the top right there. Ocean and UV proof fabric on this stuff right here. 48 hours of insulation. I did put some ice and took it to the beach, put it on a paddle board, paddled around with it, wore it as a backpack. It was absolutely amazing. I really like the way this thing was. It's very easy. It's waterproof, so if it falls out of the boat, this thing floats. It does not sink, so you're not gonna worry about your cooler falling out. Has a nice sturdy handle right there, a little bit of padding on the back. The shoulder straps are adjustable right here. The middle has a little locking mechanism right there. This seems to work, and it's got a waist mount right there, pocket there. You've got this extra stuff you can store like a pair of shoes or a jacket or something, but this is what I like. What's this? It's locked. I know that's crazy. That thing is locked. That is the fastest lock I've ever seen. And then when you want to take it off, double-handed, look at this, bam. And it's waterproof. You can turn this thing upside down. Water will not come out of it. I tested this thing out. Handles on both sides, and they are very sturdy handles, everybody. These are solid, kind of like glued and maybe welded on there. That is very tough material right there. These latches are probably some of the coolest latches I've seen on a cooler, that's for sure. No pun intended. Kind of a hard shell bottom there. I did put a couple little D-rings because it's got all these little molly straps, a bottle opener right there included on it. I've been using it off and on for maybe, I don't know, maybe a couple of trips now, and I've been very impressed with it. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the RIVONOVA, backpack 48-hour cooler. See you all in the next video.